Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak with Zubair. Do you feel shy when you try to speak English about your daily routine?
Really? That sounds very helpful. I always want to describe my day in English, but I don't know how to speak properly.
That's completely normal, and today we will fix that step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to talk about your daily routine easily and confidently. Hiram, what time do you wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
That's great. Do you wake up early every day?
I try to wake up early, but sometimes I feel lazy.
That's normal. Many people feel the same way. What is the first thing you do after waking up?
First, I check my phone and then I get out of bed.
Checking the phone is a very common habit nowadays. Do you feel active or sleepy in the morning?
I feel sleepy at first, but after some time I feel better.
What do you do after getting up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every day. It makes me feel fresh and active.
That's a very good habit. Do you do any exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I do light exercise or stretching.
That's great. Even a little exercise is very helpful. Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes, sometimes I listen to music while getting ready.
That makes your mood better. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs, bread, and drink tea.
That sounds simple and healthy. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I try to eat breakfast every day.
That's important. Breakfast gives you energy. Do you eat alone or with your family?
I usually eat with my family. It feels nice.
What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I start my work and study English.
That's great. Practice every day is very important. Do you make a daily plan?
Yes, I try to plan my day.
Planning helps you stay organized. What do you do during the day?
I complete my tasks, watch English videos, and practice speaking.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it because I want to improve.
That's a great mindset. Do you feel tired sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I feel tired, but I keep going.
What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice, chicken, and vegetables.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook your food or eat outside?
I prefer homemade food.
What do you do during the afternoon?
I relax for a while and sometimes watch videos.
Do you take a nap?
Yes, sometimes I take a short nap.
That helps you feel refreshed. What do you do in the evening?
I go for a walk and talk with my friends.
That's a healthy routine. Do you like outdoor activities?
Yes, I enjoy fresh air and walking.
What do you do at night?
I have dinner and then relax.
Do you watch TV or use your phone?
Yes, I use my phone and sometimes watch videos.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
That's a good time. Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well most of the time.
So, guys, now you can talk about your daily routine in English, step by step. Practice these sentences every day, and you will see real improvement in your English speaking.
Yes, practice is the key. Don't be afraid to speak.
Now, I have a question for you. What is your daily routine? Write it in the comments in English. If you want to improve your English speaking, subscribe to Speak with Zubair. And now, watch the next video on your screen to continue your learning journey. Keep learning, keep practicing, and speak with confidence.